Welcome.
Thanks.
Mogs.
No, we're not playing skate. This is not gonna happen. It's not happening.
Oh,
Hey, what's
ho.
How's it going, Gabe?
What's up, Carlos?
Long time no see.
Welcome back to the Braillehouse.
Always lock the door when you walk in, okay? You never know. Man, so this is 2.0, huh? Dude, this is crazy. Oh, sorry guys, this is Carlos Lastra, and I'm just here to check out the Braillehouse 2.0. I'm actually temporary here. I'm here from Wednesday to Saturday, so I'm gonna be able to film a lot of videos with these guys. And dude, I really like what you guys did with the place.
Thank you.
This is insane. Okay, like from what I remember, this place was way more like open space.
Empty, right? So what have you been up to for the last 7 months?
I was in a relationship, and I had a mutual breakup, so that's pretty good. So we ended on good terms, and I had to give my dog up for adoption because I knew I had to focus more on my skate career.
Sorry to hear.
But yeah, you know, but I'm not, because I found him a good home, and he's very safe. So
Good.
You know, shout out to little Luke Lastra. And dude, that wasn't there before.
Yep, so all that stuff in the back is brand new. That was built by Team Pain.
Dude, I saw it on video, but I thought you guys had transferred that vert wall to here.
Nope.
Now there's like 2 vert walls.
2 vert walls.
What?
Interesting. I didn't know that you thought that.
Oh man, it's funny because I'm pro for 3 blocks. You guys build it after I leave.
That's right.
I'm actually glad this is not here. I probably would have broke myself off way more before I left, dude.
It's like, hey Carlos, can you quad flip the 3 block?
Probably not right now, but you know, like just getting into town and hanging out, dude. It's crazy to be back. It even smells different in here. Mowgli's Bumps Bar was definitely not there. Man, dude, like you guys really went out of your way to.
Yes, we did, and we're still adding more too.
Wow, dude.
Like that 6-foot quarter pipe over there is brand new.
Oh, that thing is gnarly.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Man.
How have you been skating a lot, or how's the skating like in Utah?
Skating was like more minimum. Actually been hibernating like a bear. You can't really skate out there certain parts of the year because it does get snowed in. And I don't know what he's up to right now. That's Mowgli.
Mogs.
No, we're not playing skate. This is not gonna happen. Y'all, it's not happening.
Stay tuned. It is on the agenda in the next couple days. We'll get that out there for you guys. But dude, you guys really added on to this place. So what? My question for you is, what hasn't been skated from the original?
Like what hasn't been repurposed, or like,
No,
or
just
like what's
has
not used?
Has not been used like originally.
We barely use the mini ramp anymore.
I'm offended.
And the 5-stair is never skated. The handrail is skated a little bit, but never the 5-stair.
Okay, well I'll skate a couple of those just for vintage points, but
Yeah,
dang,
but just
dude.
to also update you on what we're doing over here, we're also going to extend the mini ramp. We're going to add a spine.
Welcome.
Thanks. It's crazy to be here after all this time.
Yeah, Mowgli's at work right now.
Obviously, I'm assuming, I think only one guy I've seen skate this since I've been gone.
Yep, Jaws.
Jaws, wow.
Literally Jaws.
Dude, that guy's insane.
Yeah, so we're gonna add like a little spine to the 4-foot side. We're gonna add a little like, you know, like a little bank curve over the 3-foot side.
You need to reinforce that drywall up there, though. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, so we still have a lot of expansion to do, and we also have a lot of scrap wood that we need to clean up, but
The workbench got moved.
updated.
Wow. I guess that's the tour here. Like I said, I just got here, so I'll probably just do like a personal tour and just kind of shred a little bit to the minimum because I haven't had really any time to warm up. But, you know, a few tricks. I'm just happy to be back and glad that you guys still have support after all this time. Because when I left, I thought, you know, that was kind of it for a while. I'm going to lose followers and just take a hiatus and do my own thing. And it kind of just did the exact opposite. Next thing I was just getting a lot of followers and a lot of questions on why I left Braille. But, you know, we'll get into that detail a lot more times. But
All good.
if you watch my goodbye video, you'll get like the full story.
Yeah, it was always on good terms. It was
Yeah,
just,
no worries, man. I'm just, you know, after all this time, it's crazy to be back. It's kind of so surreal right now. Like, it hasn't really sunk in yet. But with that being said, thanks for all the support, and let's just test some of these waters here.
Gotcha. Happy to have you back, man.
Thanks, man.
You
Appreciate
got to
it.
do a kickflip real quick.
Oh, no.
Kickflip challenge.
Let's get on that side.
Oh, I missed those. I missed those. Sick.
All right, let's shred this place.
All right. You know, no one knows slides anymore.
Nah.
No one.
I've noticed that. So, way to break the ice on 2.0. Dude, I'm assuming Aaron. This is for Aaron, right here.
With the uphill Manny? Yep. Everything spits you out with so much speed now.
Yeah. I'm curious to how fast you're gonna go drop in off that.
Oh, you're flying.
Just try it out. I'm just gonna go drop in, probably test this area, maybe ollie over the pyramid. Maybe ollie north back, I don't know. We'll see.
What do you think of the new wall ride?
It's more mellow.
Right?
That was way more stately. I think, like, from what I'm judging right now, I think you should have made that quarter pipe a little bit shorter.
Yeah, probably.
I think that thing's gonna...
Literally everything here is way too much speed for the stairs, but it's okay because you can just send it.
All right, let me just try it out. Dude, this is gonna be way too much speed. I don't think you guys thought the measurements through. Might as well be a 4-block, dude. Add like an extra like mani pad down the bottom.
Yep.
You would clear it no problem, dude. That's insane. What's next here? Oh, we got this section. What else? What should I hit? You know? I'm basically just hitting every obstacle right now. That's smooth.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Whoa.
Sorry guys, it's been a long drive. I've got this right here. This is pretty sick.
Definitely need some wax.
For sure. Be right back. Dude, this is crazy. I wonder what I would have got done if this place was here when I first came to Braille.
Oh, madness.
There's like way more options in my head.
I would have made you do so many tricks.
My brain is so flabbergasted right now. Did you guys use like different coping? Everything grinds good here.
Yeah.
I was like skeptical. I didn't think it was gonna grind. All right, so let's move on a little bit.
Mowgli's bumped bar.
Did he really like really emphasize on trying to get this like, come on, man?
Yeah,
He
literally,
pushed
it's
for
the
it?
only thing he said for basically a month.
Okay.
Did you? We also moved the 3-stair out too.
Oh,
There's more run up now. We moved it out.
I didn't
That's
even
where
notice that.
that little line right there is where it used to be.
Uh-huh.
No, like the cutoff right there.
What? Dude, I didn't even notice that. That's
Yeah.
crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's the least amount I've skated in a month, so take some, testing the waters, getting back into it.
There it is.
Just like old times.
Nothing has changed.
Yeah. Okay, that's 2. Hopefully third tries a charm.
Nice.
I'm alive. Howdy, man, jello legs. I think that's pretty much it for a tour of the skate park.
I hit the 5.
Oh.
And you haven't hit that.
Wait, what?
You haven't hit that hip.
The hip. Oh, that's so mellow.
The 5. That hip.
You know, I am glad I still know how to fall after all this time. Humpty Dumpty, dude. 2 seconds to breathe. It's more warmer out here, so I feel like I just lost 10 pounds in the last like 15 minutes.
Nice.
You can tell it's been a while.
Uh-huh.
I said this hip too, right? Well, safe to say there's that much more to do here. Not just 50-50. Yeah, I think that's the last obstacle for what I see. Everything else is pretty much similar to what I used to skate here anyway, so.
There's a nice bump to ledge right there.
Oh, the big one?
Yeah,
Well, I'll try that.
on the left side. Nice.
You know, I've never been used to coming at that angle before. That's weird.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to grind that big one. I don't even know if I can pop it ollie that high right now. But...
Don't do what I did.
I think I'm too tired for that one right now. I think I'm gonna save this one for now.
Oh yeah, it's all good. It's
So-
literally taller than you.
Yeah, until I'm fully rested, that's for sure. I think that's the one thing I gotta get used to is like Braille 1.0, you had to like create your own speed. Now it's like no problem.
Yeah.
You know what, in my opinion, I think you guys need a bigger warehouse now. Holy crap. Based off all that, I think I'm gonna do some extra signature tricks in a minute, but need a breather. Damn it. Ooh. I feel like a cholo now. You're looking at Carlos. Come on, dude.
Yeah, boy.
Finally. Jeez.
Wow, Carlos. That's nuts. Yeah. Oh, smooth.
I blacked out. What happened?
Pretty good, huh?
That's fun.
Jeez.
I think based off that, pretty sure I need to go take a shower and rest up my legs. I've been really just running off like fumes today, like literally 3 to 4 hours of sleep. But really enjoy being back here, and thank you, Gabe, for reaching out to me just to come back and test out the new 2.0. It's been a really fun pleasure, and stay tuned for new videos coming very soon with myself in it, also with the new Braille crew. Support them. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Learn how to skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. Videos to my left, your right. And I'm gonna go cool down, guys, because living in Utah for all that time, these guys are cold, but it is hot out here. Peace.